So what's nice about the dorsum of the wrist is that you can follow all the different metacarpals down to the different carpal bones. So on the dorsum, it's nice. So if you follow your middle finger down, you'll get into a dip. And then when you get into that dip, if you basically flex and extend, you'll feel the capitate appear and disappear. So that's a nice way. Sometimes it's hard to find the capitate from the bottom, but then the capitate will be at the top there, and then you'll be able to go a little bit more distal and find the lunate eventually. If you follow the second finger down, then you'll get into a dip, and that's where the trapezoid will be. So a lot of people get trapezium and trapezoid mixed up, so that's where the trapezoid will be. If you follow the fourth and fifth down and you get into that dip, that's where you're going to find hamate. I want you to palpate down towards the ulnar styloid, and then if you radially deviate, you're going to feel basically the triquetrium and the triangular meniscus. Like the triquetrium's embedded into the triangular meniscus. So that's where you'll end up palpating that area right there. If you palpate the radius as well, you're going to find the radial tubercle, and that's where EPL comes around. So if he goes ahead and extends there, you can find extensor pollicis longus. Then you'll find the anatomical snuff box as well. So then if you palpate within the anatomical snuff box, remember this is an area where if somebody has a scaphoid fracture or something like that, that's where it's going to appear. And then you can ulnarly deviate to feel the scaphoid pop into your finger as well. And again, coming back to the top, in the dorsum, you're going to be able to find the capitate. And then from the bottom, you'll be able to find the scaphoid and trapezium, and then you'll find the pisiform and the hook of the hamate, and you should be able to flex and extend the wrist and kind of feel this fanning and folding. So these are all the landmarks for later on when we do fanning and folding.